In this tutorial today, we shall be learning how to use Excel functions to fix bad text position, fix upper or lower case issues in Microsoft Excel. Maybe you downloaded things or you copied things online and it appeared in this form. How can you fix it? So we'll be using these Excel functions to arrange and clean up our Excel worksheet. Here we are in this Excel worksheet. We have the names of some people. We notice that the names have some issues like spacing, lowercase, uppercase, and much more. We notice that the text rule on spacing, upper or lowercase has not been followed in this name listing. We shall be following the headings in each cell. The first one is spacing. So I click here, I type in equal sign, type trim. It's here, I double click. I will click on the cell that I want to trim the spaces, close the bracket, then I click enter. This function in a cell will trim the spaces in front or in between the text. To fix the others, I click on the cell where the function that I want to replicate is already. I put my cursor here and double click. This will apply the function or the formula to the rest of the cells that contains value. So having fixed the spacing issues, let us use uppercase for all the text. Maybe this is what you are required to do. I click on the next cell, D3, put equal sign, I type in upper, I double click to put it in, I click on C3, then I close the bracket, click enter. It has used uppercase in the name Morrison Joan. I click on this cell that contains the function that I want to replicate, put my cursor here and double click. This has turned all the names to uppercase. Maybe you want to use lowercase. We go to the cell that contains the heading lowercase, put in equal sign, type in lower, I double click to put it in, I click on D3, I click enter, and this has converted the name Morrison Joan to lowercase. To convert the rest just like before, I click on the cell that contains the value, put my cursor here and double click. This has converted all the names to lowercase. So to fix the spaces between the cells so that we can see the names clearly, I put my cursor in between the cells, double click to space it. You can equally highlight all the cells that contains value and double click on any of them to space it. So now I hope you've gotten some value from this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like. Subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Do share this video with family and friends. Have a great day.